Hiring a new team member is a huge milestone for your business, but getting them set up for payroll can feel a bit daunting. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a new W-2 employee to QuickBooks Online using the latest dashboard layout. Before we begin, just make sure you have your employee's legal name, email, and their official hire date ready to go. Let's get them into the system. To start, let's navigate to the team dashboard. Head over to your left-hand menu, click on All Apps, and open up the Team section. From there, click on Employees. This brings up your central team management page. If this is your first time adding someone here, you'll see a clean landing page with a big green button right in the center. Go ahead and click Add an Employee. A window will pop up asking, "Who's your new team member?" Work your way top to bottom. Type in their first name, middle initial if they have one, and their last name. Next, enter their email. This is highly recommended because QuickBooks can use it to send them an invite to fill out their own banking and tax withholding forms securely. Finally, click the calendar icon and select their official hire date. Once you click that final button, the window closes and takes you straight to their official master file. Right here in the personal info block, you can review their contact details. If you use the email invite feature, their address, birthday, and social security number will automatically fill in once they complete it on their end. Below that, under employment details, you can see their status is officially set to active, tracking them perfectly for your next payroll run. If this updated guide helped you smoothly onboard your new hire, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.